Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 31. Talking about your favorite fruits and vegetables. I really enjoy eating fresh strawberries, especially when they're in season. One of my favorite fruits is a juicy and sweet mango. It's so refreshing. I love the crisp and tangy flavor of apples, especially Granny Smith apples. Watermelon is a perfect summer fruit. It's so hydrating and delicious. Oranges are my go-to fruit for a boost of vitamin C. They're also great for juicing. I enjoy snacking on crunchy and slightly tart grapes. They're a healthy and convenient snack. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and they taste great in smoothies or as a topping for yogurt. Pineapple has such a tropical and vibrant flavor. It's perfect for adding to fruit salads. I find cucumbers really refreshing, especially when they're chilled. They're great for salads or as a snack. Bell peppers are so versatile. I love using them in stir-fries, salads, or even stuffing them. I enjoy the earthy and nutty flavor of roasted beets. They're delicious in salads or as a side dish. Sweet potatoes are a staple in my diet. I love baking them and topping them with cinnamon and a bit of butter. I find zucchini really versatile. It's great for sautéing, grilling, or even spiralizing into noodles. Avocado is one of my favorite fruits. It's so creamy and nutritious. I love using it in salads or making guacamole. Spinach is a leafy green that I incorporate into my meals regularly. It's great in salads or sautéed as a side dish. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable that I enjoy steaming or roasting. It's great for adding to stir-fries or pasta dishes. Carrots are a crunchy and vibrant vegetable that I enjoy snacking on. They're also delicious when roasted or used in soups. I love the sweetness and vibrant color of red bell peppers. They're great for adding to salads or as a crunchy snack. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be used as a low-carb substitute for rice or mashed potatoes. It's also great roasted or in soups. I enjoy the slightly bitter and peppery taste of arugula. It's great in salads or used as a topping for pizza. Bananas are a convenient and nutritious fruit that I enjoy adding to smoothies or using as a natural sweetener in baked goods. I find the tartness of lemons really refreshing. They're great for adding flavor to dishes, making lemonade, or squeezing over fish or vegetables. I love the crunch and mild sweetness of baby carrots. They're a great snack option and also work well in salads or as a side dish. Kiwi is a unique and tangy fruit that I enjoy eating on its own or adding to fruit salads for a burst of flavor. Asparagus is a delicious vegetable that I enjoy roasting or grilling. It's a great side dish or addition to pasta dishes. I enjoy the sweet and juicy taste of peaches, especially when they're in season. They're great for eating fresh or adding to desserts like cobblers or pies. Celery is a crisp and refreshing vegetable that I enjoy dipping in hummus or adding to salads for some added crunch. I love the vibrant color and sweet taste of raspberries. They're great for snacking, adding to yogurt, or using in desserts. Green beans are a versatile vegetable that I enjoy steaming or sautéing. Grapes are a bite-sized fruit that I enjoy snacking on. They're perfect for satisfying my sweet tooth. The tropical flavor of papaya is so enjoyable. I love eating it as a refreshing snack or adding it to smoothies. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that I use in coleslaw, stir-fries, or soups. It adds a nice crunch and texture. The tart and tangy flavor of cranberries is perfect for adding to baked goods or making homemade cranberry sauce. Mangoes are a tropical fruit that I can't get enough of. I love eating them fresh, but they're also great in salsas or smoothies. The subtle sweetness and creamy texture of pears make them a delightful snack. They're also great in salads or baked into desserts. Brussels sprouts are a vegetable that has gained popularity for their unique flavor. I enjoy roasting them until they're crispy and caramelized. I find the taste of lychee to be both sweet and floral. It's a fruit that I enjoy eating on its own or adding to fruit salads. As a fan of spicy food, I love incorporating jalapeños into my dishes. They add a nice kick of heat and flavor. The mild and slightly sweet flavor of butternut squash makes it a versatile vegetable. I enjoy using it in soups, roasted dishes, or as a healthy alternative to pasta. I find the texture and mild sweetness of pomegranate seeds really enjoyable. They're great in salads, yogurt, or as a topping for desserts. Oranges are a citrus fruit that I love for their juicy and refreshing taste. They're great for eating fresh or juicing. The vibrant color and slightly tart taste of raspberries make them a favorite of mine. They're perfect for snacking or adding to smoothies. I enjoy the crisp and sweet flavor of honeydew melon. It's a refreshing fruit that I like to eat on its own or add to fruit salads. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors and have a sweet and crunchy taste. They're great for adding color and flavor to dishes like stir-fries or salads. The creamy and velvety texture of avocado is something I love. I enjoy using it in salads, sandwiches, or as a spread on toast. I find the taste of cantaloupe to be incredibly refreshing. It's a melon that I enjoy eating on its own or pairing with prosciutto for a savory sweet combination. The slightly tart and juicy flavor of blackberries is something I look forward to. They're great for snacking, baking into pies, or adding to yogurt. Carrots are a versatile vegetable that I enjoy both raw and cooked. They add a nice crunch to salads and are delicious when roasted or used in soups. The unique and tangy taste of grapefruit is something I enjoy. It's a citrus fruit that I like to eat on its own or add to salads for a burst of flavor. I find the taste of pineapple to be incredibly tropical and refreshing. It's a fruit that I enjoy eating fresh or adding to smoothies and desserts.